This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces. This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
So, what do you think he's thinking about? I think we found out who the main character is. She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.